This is Locker 13032. 5 times. Here we go.
I'm calling Luca. Excuse me. That's it.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top is Raptos. Bottom is Timbies. That is 5 times. Oh. Bailey's so weird, man.
I saw he retracted it. I also saw it before he did that. How much did you get for it, Bailey?
Well, that's cool. With the 21 NBA champ, Chris Middleton for the Bucks. Who's got the Bucks? The Bucks tops with spot 18, Reese Williams.
A little inscription.
Yeah, not bad at all. Nice K-mids with the 21 NBA champ inscription. Who did you, which one did Bailey inherit his eating habits from? Definitely Grayson. He sold for 300.
After he bought it for 130.
Wow. Little dolphin bitch.
No, Magda.
What did he say? Is that not getting let through?